What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So here are the top 11 smartphones that are going to launch in January this year. Number 11. Oppo A16K. The upcoming Oppo A16K is tipped to launch this month. With a 6.52 inches HD Plus display, it will have a 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual rear camera and a single selfie lens. The phone is expected to come powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 SoC paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage. It will pack a 4230 mAh battery with a 10-watt charging speed. The phone will run on Android 11 operating system out of the box with ColorOS on the top. Number 10. Tecno Pova 5G. It may debut under $269 and will have specs like Dimensity 9000 SoC and a triple camera system. The smartphone was recently launched in Nigeria and it has a large 6.95 inches IPS LCD display. With a Full HD Plus resolution, it has 120Hz refresh rate and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The device features a 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus AI lens at the back panel. One of its highlights will be the big 6000 mAh battery. It will have 18 watts fast battery charging support. Number 9. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. After a heap of leaks, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE has finally officially launched. The smartphone has featured a 6.4 inches AMOLED display with a HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It will have a 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera system and a 32 megapixel selfie lens. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 SoC for some markets, Exynos 2100 in selected regions. It will pack a 4500 mAh battery with 25 watts fast battery charging support. Number 8. OnePlus 10. One of the most anticipated phone launches would be the OnePlus 10 series. The company is expected to launch the phone in the second week of this month with flagship level internals. If we go by the recent news, the series may debut on January 11 in China. The OnePlus Duo is expected to come with an AMOLED screen featuring a high refresh rate. As per leaks, the Pro comes with a 6.7 inches QHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Similar to the predecessor, the 10 series will make use of punch-hole screen. The series will have Hasselblad powered by the triple camera system with a 48 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel system on the Pro. The series is rumored to come powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. Number 7. Realme 9i. Realme is expected to launch the Realme 9i on January 10 in Vietnam. The smartphone was spotted on certification site with Snapdragon 680 SoC and a 5000 mAh battery. It is also expected to have a 33 watts fast battery charging. The smartphone will feature a 6.6 inches LCD punch-hole display with an FHD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. It is rumored to have a 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera and a 16 megapixel selfie snapper. As for the security, it will feature a side-facing fingerprint scanner. The device is expected to run on Android 11 operating system with Realme UI 2.0. Number 6. Xiaomi 11i and 11i Hypercharge. Xiaomi will take reps of the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge on January 6 in India. Rumors are rife that the phone will be rebadged model of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus Chinese model for the Indian market with slight changes. The Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge will feature a 6.67 inches Samsung AMOLED screen with an FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC, paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. It is expected to have a 108MP plus 8MP plus 2MP triple rear camera setup. The phone will have a 4500 mAh battery with a crazy fast 120 watts fast battery charging technology. Number 5. Vivo V23. Vivo will unveil India's first color-changing phone dubbed Vivo V23 on January 5. Interestingly, the phone's back color will change in direct sunlight and UV light. The series comprising of the V23 and V23 Pro is expected to launch with a 50MP autofocus dual selfie camera. And one of the phones may feature a 108MP lens. As we know that the series will feature an AMOLED panel and have a mid-range processor, the Pro model was spotted on Geekbench with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC. Number 4. iQOO9 and 9 Pro. iQOO9 series will be officially launched on January 5 in China. The series comprises the iQOO9 and 9 Pro, both featuring the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. The vanilla phone is expected to have a 6.78 inches FHD Plus flat screen AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the Pro is touted to have a 6.78 inches QHD Plus curved edges AMOLED LTPO screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The series will have a Samsung GN5 sensor and may feature a triple camera system. The Pro was recently rumored to have 50MP GN1 secondary sensor and a 16MP telephoto lens. The series is expected to pack a 4700 mAh battery with a whopping 120Hz fast charging support. Number 3. Realme GT2. The Realme GT2 flaunting a 6.62 inches AMOLED display with an FHD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The GT2 Pro was also seen with a 6.7 inches QHD Plus AMOLED screen and 120Hz refresh rate. The door will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. The GT2 is expected to come powered by the Snapdragon 888 SoC, while the GT2 Pro will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. The series is expected to come with a big battery with a 65 watts fast battery charging. As for cameras, there will be a 50MP plus 50MP and a telephoto sensor on the Pro, whereas the vanilla may have a 50MP plus 8MP plus 2MP setup. The series will comprise with two major phones, the GT2 and the GT2 Pro. The company is expected to launch the Master Edition and a camera-focused phone on January 4. Number 2. Vivo Y21T. The smartphone has a 6.51 inches water drop notch display with a HD Plus 1600 by 710 pixels resolution. It is an LCD panel with a 60Hz refresh rate, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, and 89% screen to body ratio. The Indian variant is salted to come with a slightly larger 6.55 inches FHD Plus screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. It has a 50MP plus 2MP plus 2MP triple rear camera system at the rear and an 8MP selfie snapper at the front. The smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 680 SoC and has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In India, it will have 4GB of RAM with the same 128GB of storage. It runs on Android 11 out of the box and a 5000 mAh battery. Number 1. Lenovo Legion Y90. Lenovo will launch its Legion Y90 gaming smartphone in China. It is expected to feature a 6.92 inches Samsung E4 AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch sampling rate. According to the news, the phone will come with double-engine air cooling system, which could be similar to the double turbofan supercharged liquid cooling system seen in the Legion Phone 2 Pro. It will keep cool the hardware while playing heavy games. The device is rumored to come powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC paired with the LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 internal storage. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and comment below the video. For more tech news and updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.